I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. I'm also a total wino. I love the taste, the smell, the way it pairs with different foods, and of course, the way it makes me feel. I mean, I could literally bathe in this stuff. And guess what? That's exactly what I'll be doing today. I'll be going to Aire Ancient Baths and taking a wine soak, and then I'll be going home and making my very own. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. Someone once told me that a glass of wine a day will keep the doctor away. Well, maybe that was me, but wine in moderation can be good for you. There are proven health benefits to drinking a moderate portion of wine, 1 glass daily for women and up to 2 for men. I'm on board with that. Active compounds in red wine, including polyphenols, resveratrol, and quercetin, have been proven to help boost heart health. These compounds can help promote a healthy heart by protecting the lining of the blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and preventing oxidative stress. Red wine may also help reduce the bad cholesterol, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, cataracts, and colon cancer. Though the drinking aspect has its limits, unfortunately, there are also tremendous beauty benefits of red wine. Many researchers believe that the resveratrol and polyphenols found in red wine may help your skin maintain youthful elasticity and a natural glow, while also protecting your skin against harmful UV effects. Some people even believe that red wine can help fight acne and relieve pain caused by sunburn. As if I needed any more reason to love this stuff. Let's head to the wine baths, shall we? Hi.
Skyler?
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to Aire Ancient Bath, New York.
Skyler is going to enjoy our red wine bath experience, so it's our most unique and indulgent experience that we offer here at Aire. It took us 2 years to develop this red wine soak, and what we did was to keep all of the benefits of grapes, so all the antioxidants, the vitamins, so it looked like wine, it smells like wine, but it doesn't have any alcohol in, and it also doesn't stain your skin. We're gonna take you now to the changing room. So it's actually a treatment that's pretty immediate in results because it's really, really hydrant.
Hi, how are you? Welcome. So you'll step up and over and have a seat down.
The romance.
Of course. And you're soaking in a Tempranillo grapeseed, as I mentioned, which is also the wine that you're drinking, called Mata Romero Winery. So you'll be soaking in here for about 30 minutes. The soak itself, you're soaking in a Tempranillo grapeseed. It's really going to help with different benefits. So because it was a 2-year process, it's going to help with antioxidants that's going out through the pores. It's also going to help to smooth and tighten the skin. It's going to help with anti-aging. So those are just some of the main benefits.
It's amazing how one of my favorite things on the planet is actually so good for my skin and my body, and I can bathe in it while I drink it. That's a win-win. This is one of the most romantic things I've ever experienced, and it's just me and the wine, and I don't hate that. I'm loving it. It's all a girl needs. I had a great time at Aire in the wine soak, and I loved that concept, so I'm gonna try and do it at home. But we're doing it a little differently. So we can't extract the alcohol from wine, and that's what they did at Aire. So we're gonna make a paste made with all of the beneficial ingredients in wine, and then we're gonna soak in the bath. To make our paste, you need 1/2 cup of wine tannin, 1 cup of grapeseed oil, 1/2 cup of grapeseed extract powder, and wine for sipping on. In case of a mess, do it on a surface that's easy to clean. So I'm gonna start with my grapeseed oil. Then I'm gonna use my grapeseed extract powder. And next, my wine tannin. These are the beneficial ingredients in wine. Mixing it up. I've never mixed any of these ingredients before. Whoa, it looks like wine syrup. I should put that all over my waffles. Let's see how this compares to actual wine. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's the worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. I feel like my tongue just did a clay face mask. I'm just gonna use my hands because it's getting everywhere anyway. Clearly a little less glamorous than my wine soak. But it's all right. We're getting the job done. We're doing it. Ooh, look at it in the water. It looks like balsamic vinegar. Okay. Whoa. now, does it? There were a lot of pros about the bath at Aire, the most important one being I didn't have to clean the tub afterwards. My love affair with red wine is as strong as ever. And I'll admit, going to the baths to do a wine soak was very indulgent and something I probably can't afford in real life, but I did feel like a queen for a day. And I don't hate that. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love a good bath. And surprisingly, this is the first time I've done a bath like this. I know Aire has worked for years perfecting their formula, which left my skin feeling super soft, but both baths made me feel relaxed and rejuvenated and even more appreciative of wine. So cheers to that, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Give us a thumbs up if you love wine. To subscribe to Food Network, click here. To see more videos, click here. Cheers!